As we come to the halfway point in this year, I am thrilled to be able to tell you that with great relief, the industry has made huge gains in the second quarter of this year. If you'll remember, going back to the start of the year, we saw non-residential spending more than 20% below year-ago levels. But we've made up for a lot of that lost ground thanks to mega projects and a whole array of projects by subcategory level. Hello and welcome. I'm Michael Guckes, Chief Economist at ConstructConnect, welcoming you to the July 2025 edition of the Construction Economy Brief. Results through the end of May have brought a lot of relief to the industry. While we were down over 20% early in the year, we've almost broken even with where we were last year. That is thanks to 12 subcategories being positive year to date. And among those, we see a few that are growing at more than 50% from a year ago levels. Those include things like sports arenas, power, airports, manufacturing, and dams and canals. They're all growing more than 50% above year ago levels. In addition, of course, we have to mention data centers. They continue to grow at incredible speed. And thanks to that speed and the interest in data centers, I'm pleased to tell you that starting next month, we will be regularly releasing a special data centers report. These regular reports will talk about what trends we're seeing in the data center market. We're also going to look at where those data centers are occurring, and most interestingly, we'll be providing 6 to 9 month guidance based on the information that we have about projects that are near the end of their pre-construction phases. There's no doubt that challenges remain in the second half of this year, but we've come a long way from where we were at the beginning. So if you want to learn more about what is happening in the construction space, visit our website, constructconnect.com/economic-resources, and feel free to follow me on LinkedIn.